Locking WhatsApp adds an extra layer of privacy and security, ensuring that no one can access your messages without your permission. To lock WhatsApp, you can use various methods depending on your device and preferences. For Android users, WhatsApp offers the option to enable fingerprint or facial recognition to lock the app. To activate this feature, go to WhatsApp's settings, tap on Privacy, then select Fingerprint Lock. You will be prompted to set up fingerprint authentication, which will require your fingerprint to unlock the app. For iPhone users, WhatsApp also offers a similar feature using Face ID or Touch ID. To set this up, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy and select Screen Lock. From there, you can choose to enable Face ID or Touch ID, which will lock WhatsApp behind your facial recognition or fingerprint scan. In addition to these built-in options, third-party apps can provide additional app locking features, offering more customization and even passcode protection for WhatsApp. However, it's important to ensure that the third-party app is reliable and doesn't compromise your privacy. Once the lock is set up, every time you open WhatsApp, you'll need to authenticate using your chosen security method, keeping your messages private and secure.